Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you a sweet recipe, carrot burfi. It's an easy to make dessert which requires very simple ingredients to prepare. So let's see how to make that. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Once the ghee starts to melt, add 1 cup of besan or gram flour. Roasting it well for 5 minutes until it generates a nice aroma and the color changes into a slightly yellowish color. Roast it for 5 minutes. This will help to reduce the bitter flavor of besan. Now I am adding 1 cup of warm milk. Four tablespoons of condensed milk. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mixing it well. Adding 1 cup of finely grated carrots. Finally, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So this is ready. Transfer this into a cake tray. Spreading the batter evenly. Some finely chopped almonds on the top of this. Once the burfi cools down, slice it into square shape. So carrot burfi is ready to serve.